Hey guys, it's your boy the Dashboard. No car show videos this week, but I did make it out to an event that I thought might interest you. The town of Hilliard had a 4th of July themed golf cart parade today. So I shot some video at it. Thought you guys might enjoy it. It's been kind of hard to make it out to car shows last couple of weeks because monsoon season has started in Florida. It began to rain. Both times I've been ready to go out to car shows, it started raining on me time I was about to leave. So, insert Forrest Gump here.
One day, it started raining, and it didn't quit for 4 months. We've been through every kind of rain there is. Little bit of stinging rain, and big old fat rain. Rain that flew in sideways.
But anyway, so next week I've got a couple of car shows and a couple of events lined up. 4th of July week. Going down to Daytona for the Mustangs at Daytona show on Saturday, and I think on Wednesday I'm going to try to go down to Ormond Beach where they're going to have a burnout contest associated with it, with Mustangs at Daytona. So there's that. Those two events are coming up. I'm also going to shoot video at the fireworks in the area. Don't know which one I'm going to, but I'm going to go to one of them and shoot fireworks. So shoot video of the fireworks. So that'll be coming out sometime next week. But anyway, it's not been easy lately because of the weather situation. But hopefully it'll dry up soon. But anyway, hope you guys enjoy these videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. But I can come down here and take a left and come back around.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a bunch of people up here. Oh, see, they're parked right there. You could go all the way around for me.
Alright, fine.
Yeah. Park wherever you want to, baby.
Where do you think I should park?
On the other side for sure.
Alright, that's what I needed.
That way they'll come right by you. Now you setting out a camera, you're going to use your
We're setting out a camera.
And the dash cam?
The dash camera, and we're going to do the cell phone camera.
Okay. Yeah, because we're not going to get out and do any of that, right?
No.
Okay. You able? Okay.
Go in, come on!
Come. I mean, not what I meant. What did you mean? It's fine. Yeah, that one too. You may have to aim it down. They didn't decorate it at all.